Hello guys, and welcome to Culture Trading Hub. And in this particular video I want to show you how you can grow a small account. In this case we are dealing with a $15 account. As you can see, our deposit is $15, and we want to see if we can make some profits out of this account using our powerful AI system. So I have taken this buy signal right here, and basically, as you can see, the trade is already on profits. I'm only targeting a risk to reward of 1:2. I'm only targeting a risk to reward of 1:2. And nowadays, trading has become very easy because we use AI to trade for us. So you don't need to do a lot of technical analysis, fundamental analysis, basically to get trading signals. As you can see, this system basically gives you entry points, signals, sniper entries, signals. As you can see, as basically the market continues to move. Right now, it has given us a signal here, and this is the signal we are working with. And we are pushing. So again, if you are in a trade and you have made some profits, you can always do what we call taking partial profits. When the market probably gets to a risk to reward of 1:1, you can take some profits. And this system, we use it with our traders. We use this system with our traders at Culture Trading Hub. If you'd like to join our traders and get access to these systems, the systems are available. You can just use WhatsApp us using the number in the description below, or join the group in the description below, the WhatsApp group. And kindly note that we don't have any Telegram channel. So if you find any Telegram channel written Culture Trading Hub, that's a fake channel. The best thing about trading forex is that we avoid what we call manipulation. We avoid what we call manipulation. So far we have hit a risk to reward of 1:1. We have managed to hit a risk to reward of 1:1, and currently our account is at $61 equity. Remember, this was from $15. So our target from this signal is a risk to reward of 1:2. So we are going to hold on to the trade until we get to somewhere. But right now, people should be taking profits. So taking partial profits is important. Taking partial profits is always important. So let us see if the market basically gets to take profit. Let's see if our market gets to our take profit, which is a risk reward of 1:2. A risk reward of 1:2. Want to see if our market is going to get to take profit. A risk reward of 1:2. So the market is retracing quite a bit there. We are retracing quite a bit there, but we will get to our take profit. We will get to our take profit. So guys, the best thing about this system is that it does all market analysis for you, as I've said earlier, and it basically creates the trading signals for you. And if you like to actually understand more about the accuracy and the power of this sniper entries AI system, you can as well join us on our WhatsApp group. That's where we update all our results. So you can use what we call the link in the description below. So that market is retracing quite a bit. It is retracing quite a bit. but we are going to exit if the market gets to a risk reward of 1:2, because we want to see the potential of this particular system. I want to show you the power of this particular system that we use to trade on a daily basis. So another thing that you need to note is that the system will always generate signals for you, whether you're trading on any time frame. The system will always generate, it is always going to generate signals for you. Even if you're using time frames like the 1 hour time frame, you can see it is always going to generate signals for you. So we are waiting for our trade to hit take profit. Remember, this is a live market right now. This is a live market. We are waiting for our trade to hit take profit. We are waiting for our trade to hit take profit. And I've advised you, it's always good to always take partial profits. But again, if you want to make some significant profits, so right now we have how many positions open? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 positions open. So if the market gets to a risk reward of 1:1, I can close like 5 positions to secure some profits, and then I will wait for the rest to go and hit take profit. So that would be the best decision. But I trust my system. I know it's going to get to a risk reward of 1:2. Again, if the market decides to reverse at any particular point, I haven't taken any profits, and it goes against me, since I've gotten in full margin, this account, we have a possibility of this account blowing. So if you're trading, always make sure that you use risk management if you can't afford to lose the capital that you have. Otherwise, $15 is a very small amount, so I'm using it as my risk management. I'm using it as my risk management. So we are back to floating at $44 profit, and we are still pushing. We are at $56, $55 equity. We are still pushing. Let's see if the market gets to a take profit of 1:2 risk to reward, because that's what we are expecting. That's what we are expecting. That's what we are expecting. So we are still pushing. We are still pushing. We are at $70 equity right now from $15. From $15, we are almost hitting our take profit. Look at how sniper the signal was. Just look at how sniper the signal was. And we are almost getting to take profit. We are almost hitting our take profit. So that's our take profit zone right there. So immediately I get to like a profit of $70, I might close these trades using bulk operations. $69, 66, 69 again, 68, 62, 61, 55. So I was supposed to close when the market got to a profit of like $70. So still making a profit of $70 from an account of so if I get to a profit of say I'm on my take profit zone right now. So guys, I'm closing at any time right now, because this market might be reversing at that particular point. I can also decide to wait until a new sell signal is generated for me to exit that market. But I wanted to demonstrate how basically this market works. $64.69. I said 70, and we have managed to a profit of $62. Basically, the market has pushed down, but you can see from from an account of $15, we have managed to make like 4 times that account with only one trade. Remember, the system is always going to generate a lot of signals for you within the day, and you're going to make a lot of profits based off of that. So right now, if we judge the system, can say the win rate is about 100%. But with more trades, it is usually very accurate, this system. As you can see, even if we look at the charts, you see where the signals are being generated at. It is always very accurate, as you can see. So guys, join us, and you'll get to learn more on how to use this particular system.